Hello friends, I hope you all are doing well. Friends, some people complaining. Their YT Studio is not opening in Google Chrome. Instead the YT app is opening. Are you also facing the same problem? If yes, then this video is for you only. Solution 1. Open Chrome browser on your phone. In search bar type, studio.youtube.com. Then search. Click on studio.youtube.com/channel. Your eStudio will be open. If it's not work for you, here we have another solution. If you have installed YT Studio app in your phone, first delete it. Then open Chrome browser on your phone. In search bar type studio.youtube.com and search. Then click on the first row of search keywords. Your YT Studio will be open easily. Now problem is solved.